part 8 of doing the emoji cutting.
Pit nga nung ako ang headset pit, di mo tingog kung mag-huddle pero magamit siya kung mag
That and now the final touch. Add that. Bye bye. This is the final part.